these are some of the images that historically other models have had a difficult time really doing a good job with. Magnific, formerly known as Freepik, has been dropping updates at the fastest rate I could ever recall.
Like for real, Eric. These updates are so insane.
And that doesn't just include what I reviewed in this video from my recent trip to the Upscale conference. That video announced agents, MCPs, and flows. But with so many people talking about those,
this is the worst day.
Magnific also dropped even more new AI models. But first, if you don't have a Magnific subscription, there's a link in my description to get an additional large discount, 20% off when you do sign up. So let's go ahead and start with a new AI image model. A lot of people actually mentioned that this model not only generates accurate text the best, but it's also best for generating characters. The model I'm talking about is Recraft 4, but that's not really new. What's new is the .1, Recraft 4.1. So V4 runs unlimited for pro users. V4 Pro runs on credits, higher output. Both support style references, but 4.1 is the refinement. 4.1 builds on V4's design-first foundation with cleaner photorealism, dreamier gradients, sharper object understanding, smoother 3D rendering, and better results from shorter prompts. So let's very quickly try two things out. Really what it does excel at the best. Now we're in my prompts portal database. I've been adding hundreds of prompts to this every single month.
Check the links in the description.
Right now, I'm going to be in the editorial section. So I'm going to scroll through here and find a really good prompt to see if Recraft can do just as good, if not better of a job. Then for accurate text, we're going to head over here and do one of my favorites. We're going to go to the movie posters and commercial section. And I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste a prompt similar to this one that I should get a very realistic movie style trailer poster. But then after that, I'm going to show you how to quickly take things to a brand new level whenever a new update or a new model comes out. So here I am over in Magnific. Go ahead and select the image generator tool for the model. Let's go ahead and select Recraft V4.1, and now there we have it. Paste this in. So now my AI images are done. Look at these. So I can see where people would suggest that Recraft 4 does do the best job when it does come to characters. But very quickly, before we move on, here is how you can instantly get some of the best prompts, okay? Whenever a new tool comes out, just simply open up an LLM. Right here I have Claude. Ask the question, what is Recraft 4 and Recraft 4 Pro? Scroll down, it gave me the breakdown. Now I said, what is Recraft 4.1? Again, scroll, it's going to give you the breakdown. Here is what you want to paste in. Basically, you want to leverage the knowledge that the LLM just gave you. You're going to say, based on 4.1 prompt adherence best guidelines, create 2 superior prompts that I can use to showcase in my YouTube video that really demonstrates the best new features. I then gave 2 specific prompt styles. After that, I go ahead and I get these prompts right here, specifically with the prompt adherence guidelines I just got from Claude. A quick little cheat code to help you get the instant best prompts whenever a new update or model drops. Now moving on, another amazing AI image model. This time we're going to have Ideogram, an update. Now this new Ideogram update is supposed to be far superior to the one that we got used to. In fact, Ideogram also did a very good job with rendering, text, 3D, native background transparency, a few very specific things that Ideogram can do better, if not different than other models. Now I do know specifically that that transparency style image is hard to do, but apparently Ideogram in this update pulled it off. That's exactly what we're going to try. And so in that same chat I just showed you, remember how I told you that quick cheat code? Look at this right here. Now let's do the same thing, but with another new tool. This is Ideogram 4.0. Tell me about it, then generate incredible prompt examples, especially related to what Ideogram states you can do via this specific X post, okay? I found their post about their new update. I gave it to Claude as a reference, and just like that, I get these prompt examples. Now, these prompt examples specifically are supposed to bring out the best of what Ideogram's update can do, 4.0. We get the dense text rendering showcase, the native transparent background, and then the precise layout control. So back in Magnific, I'll go to all models, scroll down, and you'll see it right here. Ideogram 4, new, select that. Now let's go ahead and generate these images. Okay, now check these out. Now with those images done, look how good of a job it did. Notice the difference. These specific images, even though you may not really see the detail, these are some of the images that historically other models have had a difficult time really doing a good job with.
Look how amazing this turned out. I love it.
It seems like Ideogram 4.0 did actually nail it, which brings us to the next update. And this one is one of my favorites because it is in AI video. We have an update to Kling. Kling Omni 3 now supports character and product references, aka now we can replace one character with another one. Let's go ahead and see how this works. And now we're in the AI video model one. And every time I open this up, I just am mesmerized by how many options we have in Magnific. So if I type in Kling in the search bar, just look alone at all of these Kling models that we have. Kling 3.0 Omni. This is the one we're going to go ahead and select. Now we're going to add specific media. Let's look for a file that is a video and see if I can quickly change them out. Here's one I made earlier as a quick mock-up of my AI influencer. Let's go ahead and select this video. With that now being said, let's bring in more, hit add media this time. Let's go to a specific character I made. This time we'll go with this girl right here, Sophia. And now let's see if the prompt can make this happen. Now I said replace the girl in tag the video 1 with at my new influencer Sophia. Okay, and now this video is done. Look at this. Look how amazing this turned out. Next update, we have new Topaz models. Let's look for a video that we could perhaps upscale. How about this one right here? I'll open this up. Again, pretty good, but I think it could definitely use some upscaling. We're gonna go with use video, hit this drop down, and now select upscale. With that selected, on the left-hand side, we're gonna go ahead and choose for the model, we're gonna choose Topaz. Now look at this, we also do have Magnific, which is also new, as it states, for video upscaling. We'll go with Topaz, and now we have the models we just talked about. Okay, we'll go with Astra 2, frames per second, original, we'll stick to that, full HD. Let's go ahead and try this one. In fact, let's also do the same exact thing with Magnific. For Magnific, how about this jellyfish one right here? Again, use video, upscale, and this time we're gonna select Magnific. Now again, one more thing to keep in mind, we do have two solutions up here. We have creative and precision, okay? The same thing is for Topaz as well. Now choosing this will actually give you more of the actual options that we just discussed. So here it is. Here is that precise 2.5. So let's go ahead and try this one, okay, using Topaz. We'll do another one for Magnific as well, just so we can get all three knocked out. Here is this one right here. This is pretty cool. Again, use video. This is going to be a mini horror movie, upscale. And now for this one, we'll go with Magnific again. We're going to go with 1440p. It will use up some credits, but I'll go ahead and take one for the team. Now all three of our upscale videos are done. Look how amazing these turned out. Incredible. Amazing updates, and in fact, I didn't even show you all of them. So many updates that, again, a lot fly underneath the radar. Remember, link in my description, in addition to links to get some of the best prompts databases you'll ever see. But if you like this video, please remember, hit that subscribe button. But until then, I'll see you next time.
Home on the dash, got a cold blue shine. Your goodbye sits heavy on the passenger side. I learned quick how to swallow the smoke, how to wear a bruise like a silk coat when the world gets loud.
We're not in Texas anymore, Eric.